everyone! I've got 6 new t-shirt cutting tutorials today, so grab your scissors. I made each shirt cropped, but you can make them any length you like. For this tutorial, you will need some shirts, a pair of sharp scissors, a ruler, and something to mark your clothing with. First up is this cardigan-inspired crop top. Start by putting your shirt on inside out and marking your waist on both sides. Then roughly mark out where you want to cut down the middle and where you want the 2 sides of the shirt to connect. Make the connecting piece about 1 to 2 centimeters long. Now lay your shirt down flat, still inside out, and measure your waist marks to make sure they're in the same spot on both sides, and then make sure the line you drew is in the center. Redraw your line from the collar down to where you want your connecting piece. Then from below that down to the bottom of the shirt. Make a mark in the center of the shirt, a couple inches below the waist marks, and then connect it to the waist marks on both sides, making a point. Now grab your scissors and cutting through the top layer of fabric only, cut up the center of your shirt to your connecting piece. Then cut from the top of the connecting piece up to just below the collar. Now still cutting through just the top layer of fabric, cut out your point. Then use your ruler to make a line straight across the back layer of fabric at your waist marks, and then cut the back of the shirt. Turn your shirt back inside in and gently stretch it by pulling the points downward. Our next shirt is a lace-up crop top. Start by putting your shirt on inside out and marking where you want to crop the shirt on both sides. Then mark where you want the lace-up part to be. Keep in mind it will be on the opposite side. Now lay your shirt down flat, still inside out, and measure your crop marks to make sure they are even. Then connect them. Grab your scissors and cut across the crop line through both layers of fabric. Then cut a strip of fabric from the bottom part of the shirt and stretch it and pull it into 2 pieces. Now cutting through the top layer of fabric only, carefully cut along the lace-up line up to the collar. Grab your ruler and start measuring out and marking an even number of dots down one side of the line we just cut. I made mine about 1 inch apart. Then copy the dots on the other side, staying close to the cut edge. Now we're going to cut tiny holes in the top layer of fabric on all the dots. Turn your shirt back inside in, then tie your 2 strips of fabric together at the ends. Starting from the inside of your shirt, pull an end through each top hole so that the knot is in the center on the inside. Then lace the strips of fabric down the shirt like a pair of shoelaces. And tie the ends together on the inside of the shirt. Trim the ends of your knot. Next up is a cutout crop top that ties in the back. This works best with a lower cut shirt, but you can always cut your own neckline. Put your shirt on inside out and mark how high you want to crop the shirt. Then roughly mark out the circle. Lay your shirt down flat, still inside out, and measure and mark the center of the shirt under the neckline. Then draw a line across your shirt at your crop mark. Redraw your circle in the center of the shirt if it isn't, and be sure to keep it small because it will stretch. Now flip your shirt backside up and mark where your crop line is on both sides. Draw a line down the center of the back of the shirt, then draw an inward curving line from your crop mark on one side down to the bottom of the shirt about an inch away from the center line. Repeat on the other side. Then connect the sides of the collar to the center mark about a quarter way down the shirt, making a Y shape. Now cutting through just the one layer of fabric, cut along your Y from the bottom of the shirt up the center to both sides of the collar and remove that triangle piece of fabric. Then cut along your curved lines from the bottom of the shirt to the crop marks. Flip your shirt over and cut along your crop line through the top layer of fabric only. Then also through the top layer, carefully cut out your circle. Turn your shirt back inside in, put your shirt on, and tie the ends together tight in the back. Our fourth tutorial is a cropped wrap top. Put your shirt on inside out and mark where you want to crop the shirt on both sides, and the center of your shirt at your underbust. Now, apologies for jumping ahead, this is what I did. Lay your shirt down flat, still inside out, and draw a line from your underbust mark to the bottom of the shirt down the center. Then draw an inward curving line from your crop mark on one side down to the bottom of the shirt about an inch away from the center line on that side. Then repeat on the other side. Now grab your scissors and cutting through the top layer of fabric, cut up your center line, stopping at the underbust mark. Then cut along your curved lines from the bottom of the shirt to the crop marks. Draw a line across the back of the shirt at your crop marks. Then cut along it through the back layer only. Turn your shirt back inside in. Now put your shirt on, cross the two front pieces and tie them together in the back, and then tuck the knot up underneath. Now the last two tutorials are super simple slashed crop tops, so we'll just fly through them. First we'll do the one with 3 slits, and I used a looser fitting shirt, but I think it would have worked better with a tight one. So put your shirt on inside out and mark how wide you want the slits to be. Then also mark where you want to crop the shirt on both sides. Lay your shirt down flat, still inside out, and measure to make sure that your width marks are centered. Then draw a line across your shirt at the crop marks. Now draw where you want your slits to go. I made mine a couple inches apart and a couple inches below the collar. Grab your scissors and cut across your crop line through both layers of fabric, then carefully cut your slits through the top layer of fabric. Stretch the shirt sideways a bit, then turn it back inside in. And the last shirt is a narrow slashed shirt. So put your shirt on inside out and mark where you want to crop the shirt. Then mark how wide you want the slits to be. Now lay your shirt down flat, still inside out, and then you can see I wasn't sure about this fabric, so I just cut a small strip of the fabric and stretched it to see if it would curl. And it did, so I continued. Now draw a line down the center of your shirt near your width marks and recenter them if necessary. Then draw lines parallel to your center line at the width marks. Draw a line across your crop marks and cut along it through both layers of fabric. Now grab the top layer of fabric at the top and bottom of the shirt and fold it along the center line so that you can only see one of your width lines. Starting under the collar, cut small slits in the fabric about 1 centimeter apart, from the center line to your width line, all the way down the shirt. Turn your shirt back inside in and stretch it sideways. And that's everything! I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, or if you have any questions, be sure to let me know, and if you're looking for more content, check out my other social media, all at Anorthidol. You can subscribe to this channel by clicking here, or watch another video, right over here. Thanks for watching!